use it for like 1 full year, so I can make a proper review about it. First, we have pot, which is decent size. I think it's 1.1 liters. Made quite properly, I would say. As for the price, it has a lid, which speeds up the heating of the water. If you're cooking some soups, stews, or stuff in that fashion, also can boil a little bit more water. It's nice. You have a frying pan, which is terrible. You can't cook anything in similar fashion of the pancakes, because it sticks to it. It's really shit made. But if you cook some meats, that's fine completely. Just make sure the heat is not too volatile, because it's gonna burn really quick. Also, the lid fits to it as well. So this one is multifunction. Kettle, which was one of the most useful for me. It doesn't hold too much, but like around 2 cups. Boils quick. Water stays not smoked, which is nice. So in my opinion, for the money, it's a really good thing. If you're going somewhere and you need to keep it light, I would suggest probably take the kettle and the pot and the lid. If you really need to be like really light, the pot itself is going to be plenty enough, so you can boil the water for the tea and cook the food and fry as well in there. Will I buy it again? Probably not. Just put some more money and buy better quality stuff. The reason why, because I really fucking love pancakes, man.